Hey, welcome everybody. My name is Bo Berman, and I want to show you how you can obtain very good HMO powder, human milk oligosaccharide powder, if you live in the UK, you live in the United Kingdom. So let's say you live in the UK and you're Googling, I'm going to do this from the US based Google site, but we'll try it anyway. HMO powder UK, and we'll see what comes up. So I can't really speak on some of these products, but you can see that this is actually for infants, and for HMO powder was made by our company. A lot of people, our company Layer Origin Nutrition, a lot of people would actually just chug infant formula because it had HMO in it and try to get some of the benefits. But the problem was it had a lot of fillers, different types of sugar and other things that oils, things you don't really want as an adult or maybe anybody. But, and that was a problem. So again, this is another baby formula, but in this list of products, there's two here that you do want to look at. And so that's this one, the PureHMO Human Milk Oligosaccharide Prebiotic Powder and the PureHMO Prebiotic Capsules. Even though it says powder, this bottle are capsules. So let's say we so let's look at some of the searches here. This is kind of a news article. This is a brand that is basically stealing the title of our product and putting it in their title. Not sure why, I guess because our product is a bestseller. But basically, this is what we're looking for here. This is your best bet. This is the Human Milk Oligosaccharides HMO Prebiotic Powder from layerorigin.com. So we'll click on that. And as you see at the top of the screen, shipping is free to anywhere in the United States. Hopefully we can, work with our friends in the UK to have better shipping rates in the future. But for now, they're still pretty good. So this is the PureHMO Human Milk Oligosaccharide Prebiotic. If you enter your email, you do get 15% off if you're a first-time customer only. If you've been to the site before and already entered your email, then you won't be eligible. In any case, so what you would do is, let's say you don't want these capsules. If you're dead set on having a powder, there's benefits and pros and cons either way. The capsules you can take with water. The powder is better for mixing into a smoothie or a protein shake. It absorbs a little bit faster into the system, but it just depends. A lot of people like the capsules because they're fast. You can just take them, pop them with a glass of water. You can take them to work with you or travel. But in any case, you click on shop, and here's our guide to HMOs with a lot of the good information. But you scroll down on the left, you will see this is the powder. So you click on that. Now we're on the powder, $29 a bottle. You can purchase one time for $29. You can click subscribe and save, and you'll save 15%. If you do a monthly subscription for $24.65, or you can do a bundle deal where you buy two and you save 16%, buy three and save 18%, etc. So we'll go ahead and just pretend we're gonna do a one-time purchase, and we'll do two bottles because we're gonna ship this all the way to the UK, make it worth our while. So we'll add to cart. All right, so we are here on the shopping cart page at layerorigin.com, and we're going to investigate some shipping rates. So we're going to put the postal code as WC2NSU and hit calculate shipping. Okay, we're going to try WC2N5BU, calculate shipping. And so what you get here is that there are two shipping rates available for England and United Kingdom, starting at $24.70, and this is for two bottles. If you do one bottle, it's typically around $13, $14 for first class international, and a little bit cheaper for the UPS Worldwide Saver. And so what I can tell you is that the first class international takes a while. It could take up to 2 weeks, sometimes even takes 3 weeks, usually 10 to 14 days though, it just depends. It's not a priority shipping method for the United States Postal Service, and you kind of get what you pay for. UPS Worldwide Saver gets there a lot quicker. I don't want to guarantee anything, but it's just significantly faster than the 10 to 14 days for first class international. So this is a method of getting the best HMO powder in the world if you live in the UK. And this is what I would recommend. Of course, I'm somewhat biased, being that I'm a co-founder of Layer Origin Nutrition, and we're specialists in HMO powder and HMO products. But this is, really the way to go. If you want to just sample a bottle, try one bottle, it will be even less expensive. You're looking at about $14. And by the time you apply our 15% discount as a first-time customer, you're knocking a lot of that shipping price off anyway to some extent. So you can get Pure HMO powder delivered to your doorstep in the UK. Of course, we do offer the bundles, so you can save a ton of money there, which will basically cover your shipping costs if you think about it. Because if you come on over here to the Pure HMO powder, and let's say you want to do, it takes a second to load here actually, but let's say you don't want to just order one bottle and you don't want to subscribe just yet, but you know that you want to give a bottle to a family member, a bottle to a friend, and have 3 bottles for yourself. So that would be 5. So if you click on this option, the bundle of 5 bottles, you're going to save 21% off your order. So instead of $29 a bottle, these will be $22.91. And you are going to save, $145 minus 114, which will be your total. So you're saving about $30 there. And so $30, coincidentally, is the shipping cost with UPS Worldwide Saver, which is the faster shipping. And so, if you're interested in buying a bigger amount, 5 bottles, you're basically going to cover your shipping costs anyway. So, you would hit grab this deal, and you would go and just place your order and put in your details. And, we ship internationally every single day. So, and you see the savings right there. You're saving a lot of money on this order. And because I had the other bottles in there as well, 7. You can definitely get Pure HMO powder to the United Kingdom.